Here I have MICROMAX Canvas 6 and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly enable power saving mode, you can use upper bar twice. Here let's tap on battery icon, and here you've got the information about battery usage, and you can also use here more key to choose battery saver. So here you've got the information about power saving mode. To help improve battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. So it's important to understand how the battery saver works, and here you can enable or disable this mode by using that switcher. As you can see, the following icon should pop up if you have battery saver enabled. You can also here use the automatic turning on by using the following options. You can switch on battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. You may also find the battery saver in your settings. Just find and select settings right here. And here of course you need to tap battery. Here you've got information about your battery. You can use more key and tap battery saver. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.